Welcome back. Today I have a special treat for you. I have been working on a cookie recipe that is gluten-free, and if you are familiar with gluten-free baking, you know what a trick it is to get things the right texture when baking gluten-free. So I'm very excited to share this with you. It's an original recipe and we're calling it Lemon Smashies. So let's get right into it. All right, into our dry ingredients, we have a half of a cup of brown rice flour, and we're using the Bob's Red Mill today. We have a half a cup of coconut flour and a half of a cup of oat flour. Okay, now into this is going to go our 1 cup of coconut sugar, a 1/4 cup of ground flaxseed. I do like to grind my own, but you can get this in the grocery store already ground, no problem. All right, and then we have a half of a teaspoon or just a touch over a half of a teaspoon of salt. All right, we're just going to mix these dry ingredients around together like this. Look how beautiful that is. You know what? This is a recipe that is high in nutrition and very low in fat. So that's another exciting thing because we always need to bump up that nutrition whenever we can. All right, now getting that all incorporated like that, now we're going to start putting our wet ingredients into the mixer. So in goes 2 beaten eggs, and then we have 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, a tablespoon or about one whole lemon zested, so about a tablespoon on that. 2 tablespoons of cottage cheese, and you want don't get the fat-free cottage cheese for this. You need that added fat in there from the whole milk. All right, and then we have, oh, and I love this Watkins Vanilla. If you have not tried this, guys, you ought to try this. It's a really nice, well-balanced vanilla flavoring. It's pure vanilla extract. And 1 teaspoon of that. Okay? Now, we're going to give this a little mix around in the mixer. Here comes the noise. And guys, remember, if you like what you're seeing, you like the content of that, throw us a like and a comment on our channel. And don't forget to hit that notify bell so you can see all the videos we're uploading every week for you, okay? Especially on these original recipes. Okay, now into this mixer we have 2 beaten eggs, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, a tablespoon of lemon zest, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, pure vanilla extract, and 1/4 cup of melted coconut oil. And we're just stirring to combine. All right, we're going to turn this down a little bit, and we're going to start adding our dry ingredients. Okay, and that's all there is to that. Now, we have our cookie dough all mixed up and ready to go. You're going to scoop this out in about 1.5 inch scoops onto a Silpat baking sheet. Evenly spaced across on your baking sheet, okay? Don't forget, that's important to evenly space them because they bake evenly that way. Even spacing means even baking. Ooh, I like that. And you've got your oven preheated at 400 degrees. Okay, these are going to go for 400 degrees, at 400 degrees for about 10 minutes, and then you're going to be turning that temperature down. Okay, now be sure and stay tuned because at that 10-minute mark, we're going to pull these out and I'm going to show you what we're going to do to make these lemon smashies. Okay guys, they're all ready on the Silpat, ready to go into that nice hot 400-degree oven. And then in 10 minutes, we're going to take them out and do the smash. Okay, that timer's going off. It's been 10 minutes. We're going to pull them out to give them their smash. Ooh, hot oven. Hot. Okay, they're out of the oven. We're going to get ready to smash them, but first, let's turn that oven down because we need it to be at 350. And this is how they get their name, guys. Smash, 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 and done. Okay. Now, our oven is reset to 350, so they're going to go back in for 8 more minutes. Okay, guys, timer's gone off. That was an additional 8 minutes. I know, you're counting with me. 18 minutes on those cookies. But yes, and that is something that I have found, you guys, with the gluten-free baking, is it's so incredible how much longer it takes than regular baked goods. Like most cookies bake for 8 to 10 minutes. These, 10 and then 8. Wow, right? But look how gorgeous these are, you guys. I'm so excited. All right, now we are removing these from the oven. Oop, and let me turn that oven off. And putting them on wire racks. Now, here's a trick. These, where normally on most cookies you let them cool down for a couple of minutes and then you remove the cookies to the wire racks, do not do that on these. Okay, on these, we're going to keep these cookies on the seal pat covered baking sheet and on the wire racks until they're completely cool. Okay, guys, they are out of the oven, cooled completely, and now we get to give them a little taste test. Mmm. Mmm. Oh my goodness, that's good. Ooh, that lemon flavor. Mmm. So good, so fresh. Just right on the palate. A little bit of crisp on the outside. Mmm. And that is what I have been looking for. But they're still nice and soft and moist in the middle. Guys, you got to give this a try. Make sure you throw me a like and a comment. Hit that notify bell so you can see all of the wonderful videos we're uploading each week. And especially these original recipes, original to things Tina does. Man, especially if you're gluten-free, you got to check these out, guys. And we'll see you next time on Things Tina Does. Bye-bye.